Future Simple 10 quiz. I am sure Barcelona FC will lose the match. I am going to reverse for my exam on Friday morning. In 15 years, smart homes will do the housework. I will go shopping with my mother tomorrow. He will arrive on time. I will be back before Monday. You will earn a lot of money. I am going home after this music class. Because of the rain, the meeting will not take place at 10 o'clock. The meeting will take place at 4 p.m. Can you lend me $3,000? I will pay you back on Saturday. I am going to fly to India tomorrow morning. Why will you not lend me your bicycle? My brother is going to study in Canada for 5 years. We won't know until we come there. In my opinion, he will pass the test. Many people will serve you. The film will end at 7:30 a.m. everything will be perfect. When we get home, we will have lunch